Data is everywhere, and companies rely on it to make smarter decisions every day. Want to be part of that revolution? Then you need to learn SQL. In this video, we'll explore why SQL is a must-have skill, how it can boost your career, and how our beginner-friendly course at Educamly.com can get you job-ready fast. SQL equals structured query language, used to manage and query databases. It's the language behind all your favorite apps, banking, e-commerce, healthcare, marketing, and more. SQL is required in 75% plus of data-related jobs. It's simple to learn, but powerful to apply. Demand in roles like data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, and more. Entry level, $60,000 $80,000. Mid-senior level, $100,000 plus. Valuable across industries: tech, finance, healthcare, e-commerce. Beginner-friendly, no prior coding needed. Learn core SQL commands, joins, subqueries, aggregations, and real-world business cases. SQL is one of the easiest and most valuable skills you can learn, and it can unlock opportunities across every industry. Learn SQL. Get hired. Enroll now at Educamly.com.